Here are the steps involving this task. First of all, log into articlebuilder.net. I will send you a list of the categories that we will try this process through. So let's say, for example, the first one is auto repair. Select auto repair from the list, then check these boxes, use super spin, and check new expanded super content. Target word count 300, how many articles we want 20. Check perform automatic LSI replacement and check spin articles together. Click build my article. Once the program has returned an article, we are going to super spin this article using the best spinner and this method. Let's start with the titles, which is this section at the top here. Let's take the titles and cut those and paste them into the best spinner. Let me just reduce the size here so I can show you what we need to do next. Okay, so, I've made a mistake. The first thing we need to do before we add these in is remove these brackets from the end. So going back one step slightly, here is our spun article again. Remove the bracket from the end. Take the titles, cut, and just get rid of this. Okay. Right, so now I've pasted those titles into the best spinner. We're going to now click this replace everyone's favorites button. From the drop down box, select best, better, good. Check original content, check only select the best, maximum synonyms 1, hit the replace button. The program now goes out, takes 3 or 4 seconds. Right, we now click the flat spin button and copy all of this text to the clipboard. And then what we're going to do is paste this text onto a notepad. That is the titles of the article. We are going to save this and we are going to call it auto repaired titles.txt. Save that. Next, we're going to go back to our document and we are going to take this information that's here, but we're going to do this by paragraph. So what we'll do is we'll copy and paste all of this out into a Word document. Okay, now within this document there are paragraphs, so you've got open bracket and a closed bracket, and the next paragraph starts here. What we're going to do is paragraph by paragraph, we're going to repeat the process we just did with the titles. So I'm going to remove the bracket at the start of the paragraph and remove the bracket at the end of the paragraph. Then I'm going to take this information and we're going to go back to the best spinner. We need to delete what has been there previously, and we add this into the best spinner and then hit the same process. Click the replace everyone's favorite button and then click replace. The best spinner will work away over the space of 4 or 5 seconds and then it will return this. Hit flat spin, copy that, and again we'll this time instead of saving just that one section, we're going to do the whole article. Now the first thing we need to do now that we've pasted this onto our text file, our report file, is re-add in the brackets in the end that we took off, the opening and closed brackets. Okay, and then now we can come down to the next paragraph. But what we're going to do here, we've noticed that there's gaps in all of these articles which Article Builder returns. So what I want you to do is delete all of these spaces. so that we can bring the article or bring the paragraph in much tighter. And we know where this paragraph ends because we're looking for the closed paragraph brackets, and here they are here. So what we're going to do is just put the return bar there. So now we've got a paragraph here that we've shortened up, and it's got opening and closing brackets. Again, remove those brackets, take that paragraph, right click, cut, and again we're going to get rid of the last work on the best spinner, and we're going to add this new information in. Again, click replace everyone's favorites. Best spinner will do the rest. Okay, and then we hit the flat spin button, copy to clipboard, and that will now copy that information. Now, here is where we posted the paragraph. Now, what we're going to do here is we're just going to add in a space. We're going to reinstall the opening bracket, right click and paste that information in, and then add another closed bracket. Okay, so now we've got two distinct spun paragraphs. And then again, we can go back to our Word document and again shorten this information up. And now that we've done the whole paragraph, we've now got another whole paragraph of text. Remove start and end brackets. Cut. Back to the best spinner. Paste it in. Hit everyone's best replacements. Hit once that's, oops, push the wrong button. Once that's completed, we hit the flat spin button, copy to clipboard, and then now we have another paragraph to add into our text file here. So what we do is hit the return button, add an opening quote, hit the paste button, add close quotes, and now we've got three distinct paragraphs. Okay, and we just simply go right the way through this Word document that we pasted the article on into in the first place until the whole thing is complete, remembering to remove the gaps as we go, and remembering that the end bracket and start bracket here signifies a new paragraph. Each time we just hit the enter button a few times just to create a space. And I will send you a list of all of the articles that I would like this format in. Now, when we saved the titles that we did at the start as in this case auto repair titles, what we will do now, once we've finished adding in this whole article here that's been spun out, we will save this as auto repair article. And then save that, and then you can send that to me. Okay, so that is the process for how to complete this task. I will send you a list of all of the categories that I would like this done for over the next few days. If you have any problems, please refer to the video, and we can go from there. Thank you very much.